Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Notice which way the positive side is facing before you remove it. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.